Urgent sell Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR full genuine Outclass Condition CNG chilled AC hard to find at this price. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly car, then today's offer is something you should not miss. Presenting to you a Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR, a car known for its durability, low maintenance cost, and excellent performance in city driving. This Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR is in outclass condition. The car is touch-up genuine, with only minor touch-ups, keeping its originality well maintained. The body condition is neat and clean, giving the car a very decent and fresh look for its model year. It's a perfect choice for daily use, office commute, or even for small families. Let's talk about ownership. This car is a second-owner vehicle, which means it has been used carefully and responsibly. The overall condition reflects proper maintenance and careful driving. If you're someone who prefers a car with a clean history, this Alto is a solid option. Now coming to comfort and features. The car is equipped with factory-fitted air conditioning, and yes, the AC is fully chilled, making it perfect for Karachi's hot weather. Whether you're driving in peak summer or daily traffic, the AC performs excellently. For easy and smooth driving, this Suzuki Alto comes with power steering, which makes handling very light and comfortable, especially in city traffic and tight parking spaces. Additionally, it has power windows, adding extra convenience for the driver and passengers. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest highlights of this car. This Alto is CNG fitted, making it extremely economical. With rising fuel prices, this car is ideal for people who want to save on fuel costs without compromising on daily usability. It's perfect for ride use, office travel, or household driving. The car is running on new tires, providing better road grip, smoother drive, and extra safety. Suspension feels stable, and the car drives comfortably on city roads. Engine and mechanical condition are very good. The engine performance is smooth and reliable, giving you peace of mind for daily driving. This is a just buy and drive car, no major work required. Now let's talk about documents and location. The car is available in Karachi, and all details can be discussed directly through inbox. Serious buyers are welcome to contact. Coming to the final and most important part, price. The final demand is $775,000 only. Considering the condition, features, CNG, chilled AC, power steering, power windows, and overall reliability, this price is very reasonable and competitive in today's market. So if you're searching for a budget-friendly Suzuki Alto, with low maintenance, excellent fuel average, and strong resale value, then this Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR is definitely worth checking out. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact inbox for more details and viewing. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car deals. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.